a while. I've only been doing live streams. But today, I am getting in the freaking Christmas spirit because I am back at you again with another DIY. I know. Anyways, so basically, this is going to be a DIY squishy. And because this is Christmas theme, we're going to make a DIY squishy ornament. Why did I say DIY squishy? We're going to use the squishy that's already made. So, basically, we're going to use a squishy. I'm not going to use this one. I could use that one, but I'm not going to. I just wanted to show you guys these two. These are my newest squishies. We love a Dollar Tree sister. Anyways, so I'm going to show you how to make your squishy into an ornament. Now, I don't have the little thingy on here that comes out. I don't have one of those because it fell out because I'm not bougie. Okay. All of them fell out. I was literally just going to replace it, but all of mine except for this one, but I'm not going to take it out of that one because that one's my favorite one. I'm going to make them scared. I'll take it out of this one. Alright. Just stick this in there. Anyways, usually you might want to pick the squishy with a hook like this, or you can just stab a hole in it, but we love a lazy sister because I'm not about to do that. So of course, first, you can't just call this good. Like, how's this Christmas? How's this Christmas? So we're going to deco it. I'm not going to do that much to it because I'm going to freaking ruin it if I do. But I'm going to deco this a little bit. And this is such a good squishy, I feel kind of bad. But it's to get into the Christmas spirit, and it's for you guys. So let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy this lit angle. Anyways, so I got this ratchet note card right here and this painted thingy. And I have a paintbrush that I didn't wet because we love a lazy sister. So I'm trying to pull this closer to me, but then it goes out of frame, so I really don't know what to do. Whatever. Okay, so there she is. Oh yeah, cue the triggered people that are triggered for me not wetting this paintbrush. Okay, so basically we're just going to... Okay, maybe I do have to wet the paintbrush. I'll be untriggered now. Anyways, trying to put this in frame, but I can't see at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to paint a little... Well, I just got water on that, whatever. I'm going to paint a little Santa hat where the bow is. So basically, we're going to cover this up. That looks ratchet. Kind of might have put a little bit too much water. Whatever. We don't care. Okay. I was gonna go in, okay, I kind of made that a little fat, but nobody cares. I was gonna go in time lapse, but I'm already done with that part. So we're gonna do the red part, and I guess I'll go in time lapse for that because it's gonna probably take me a while. You guys can't even see that, can you? Sorry. Literally can't even see that. Okay, I'm gonna go in time lapse. Here you go. There you go, fun! So yeah, I'm gonna start on the red. So basically time-lapse wouldn't let me zoom in, and because I'm an impatient person, I'm not gonna wait for this to dry. So we're gonna go on to the next part. It's gonna let me zoom on here, right? Nice. It's gonna be in this, and you can't see that. Love that. Getting kind of annoyed. Maybe I should just move the angle altogether. I don't want me to be in it though. Nice. Love that. Okay. It's just... Okay, this is getting more s'mores. Maybe I should just angle this right here. Okay, I give up. Wow. Are we good? Alright. Love that for me. Sorry, it's messy over there. She doesn't freaking clean anything. Okay. Okay, let's just go back to this angle that we had over here. That was way better than the rest. smoothly. Perfect. Sorry, it's freaking shaky because I'm not good at this. Okay, my friends. Love that. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Now I gotta do the little puffy puff on the top. I don't know why I got a butt ton of red, but I do. I was gonna make like those little like puffy thingies, but sis got too lazy. Like, you know how it's like, you know? That makes no sense. Okay. I was thinking about redoing the panda face because it's kind of cracky, but that's basically just gonna mess the whole thing up probably because I suck. So yeah, I don't know. I might just redo the mouth and see how that goes. I'll go in time lapse, but it's not gonna be zoomed in. Sorry. Okay. So finished. Looks so bad, but I decided to do the ears just a little bit. I did this one a little bit. I basically repainted this whole ear because it was like cracked. So I might kind of do the eyes a little bit because those are cracked too. Don't do the eyes. Don't. But I don't know. I messed the whole thing up. But we love a Christmas sister. So I'm basically going to do that off camera because I feel like I'm losing storage. Then we're going to do the ornament. I'm mad. I'm freaking Anyways, love that for me. Messed it up. I was only going to do it a little bit, but then I got in the eyeball part and I tried getting it out, but I didn't, so I just decided to put white paint. So I basically decoed the whole squishy. Love that. So now I don't even know where the frame is. I got this ornament thing. I don't know where you can get it from. Dollar Tree, Walmart. You can't even freaking see it. I don't know where you can get it from. Dollar Tree, Walmart. Don't know. But or you can take it off an old ornament. But this comes in a pack. That's where yeah. So that's why I wanted the hook thingy, so you can just easily. Why didn't I zoom in on that? So you can just easily slip that through. Enjoy my painted hands, by the way. So yeah, now you can hang this on your tree. I'll go hang this on my tree for special effect. Okay, so I'm not actually going to leave it on here, but here's the tree. Also, you should probably wait for this to dry, but my impatient self doesn't want to. So yeah, now I'm just going to clamp this shut. Turn around. Now you got oh my god. A squishy ornament. Yeah. It looks so bad. I don't know how to take a thumbnail because I don't want. No one's gonna click on this video if they see that. Ooh. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really mad. Oh, it won't zoom in. All right. Maybe I'll just take a thumbnail like this, and then I'll block out this. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail right now. Thumbnail. Why does my face look so weird? Hold on. Oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like. I don't care if you don't like it. Just leave a like, because I'm a thirsty for likes. I'm just kidding. Leave a like if you guys like it. If you don't like it, then please don't leave a dislike. Or leave a dislike. Honestly, I really don't care. But yeah. Sorry, those were my thumbnails. I'm going to pick one. I don't know which one. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Honestly, I don't care anymore. you guys are wondering why I keep destroying my squishies, it's because I have nothing to do when I don't really collect squishies anymore. So that's why I basically just ruined this one. Maybe I should just redo the whole thing. Yeah, I'll just keep some squishies if I destroy them, and I'll just redo the whole thing for a new video, like filling old squishies, or like redoing old squishies, and I'll probably turn this into something else, like not a panda from this week. It doesn't look like a panda. I don't know, comment down below some ideas. So yeah, thanks for coming and watching this, sisters. Sorry, James Charles, I took your trademark. I think that's what it's called, I don't know. I took your saying. Anyways, bye sisters, I'm just kidding. Bye guys, and stay snazzy.